Hello, this is Keith All, and in today's tutorial, we're going to learn how we can replace these default bullets for an unordered list with a Font Awesome icon. So basically on the left-hand side, what this is I'm displaying a list, and if we come over to the right, which is our index.html file, underneath the body tag, I'm going to have an unordered list, UL. And within that list, I'm going to be using the list item tags. And so this is where item 1, item 2, and item 3 come from. And that's what's being displayed here. And and by default, if you do not set a specific property to none for an unordered list, then you're always going to get these default bullets right next to a list item. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we could get rid of these bullets and then keep these Font Awesome icons here. So basically, right over here on the right hand side, I'm going to have an I tag. And this I tag is going to be using a few different classes to style this list item. So what FAS stands for, it says it's Font Awesome Solid Style Icons. And then this class right here, FA address card, is just pulling up this icon, this address card. The next one down means align center, so it's pulling up this icon. It's an align center icon, and this is an anchor icon. And of course, you're going to have an what this one's called an angle double up icon, and that's what this second class is doing. And the FA-2X in each one of these, it's just given a size. What size do you want for this icon? So basically, if I change this to, let's say 5, I'm going to save it, refresh this browser window, give it a second. There you go, and it increases the size of the icon. So the FA-whatever X that you use, it goes all the way up to 10x. You can resize the icons that you want to whatever size that you want. So I'm going to go back down to 2x, save it, and then I'll refresh this side in a second. But let's go up to basically, in order to get rid of these default bullets, I use a class in Font Awesome called FA hyphen or dash UL, which is Font Awesome Unordered List class. So let's go to the CSS file that holds all these Font Awesome classes, and I'm just using a link tag, and I'm pointing it to a specific directory on my PC, and it's called all.css. And this CSS file can be downloaded from fontawesome.com. So let's go over here. Okay, and here's the class. Here is where we style anything that we use with this. And basically what I'm doing is I'm using a property list-style-type, and I'm setting the value of it to none. So that's how you get rid of these bullets. So once I refresh this, you'll see what happens. It gets rid of those default bullets. And so that's how you could use Font Awesome and its icons to replace the default bullets with any icon of your choice from Font Awesome. Hopefully this tutorial gave you an idea on how to use Font Awesome web font. And please subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification so you always get updated when I have a new video ready. And thanks again for stopping by today. Also, please like, share, and comment. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.